Okay guys, it actually happened. We got snow. It is very cold out. And yeah, we gotta go. Some stuff, it's not that bad, but could get icy, I imagine. So we're just gonna get at it. Let's go. Got everything going here. Salter's on, plow's on, about to go. I think I'm gonna be taking the blue truck. Unsure. We'll see. Just giving a little bit of salt here. It's a little icy underneath the snow. Looks like it's throwing pretty good. Kind of weird going from mowing this place to salting and shoveling and stuff in like 4 days. This is an out of the blue winter storm here. PennDOT's going. We did those flower beds during the summer. There was all kinds of mulch and stuff in it. We took them all out, put that rock in it. Poor plants are dying because of the cold. It's like almost 5 in the morning here. They're saying we might get a few more flurries, but this salt, I imagine, will take care of it. This is dusting, just not laying. Pretty much getting it all in one swoop. Just needs to come over here a little bit. Getting hit with it. What other people plowing out here? We do over there too. That's part of the vet's office. Kind of looks like we're the borough. That's what that other truck was, I think. Was the town. Season to snow plowing in a day.
Got one leaf clean up in or two.
There's a lot of snow right here. Just solid 2 or 3 inches on that part. It's pretty good. This right here has to get salted a lot because it's really steep. You can see how far down there he is. Getting brighter out here. It's almost 7. We can actually see something now. Up here, this is Clarion. We're by I-80 here. This is usually where the big snow line is. They get a lot more snow up here than we do down in the southern part of the county. Seems like a wetter snow. This is like lake effect. We get little offshoots. We don't get as much down there. Got most of this done. Running some salt through there. They have a drive-through thing. Everything's, you know, salted. This wind is just blowing, isn't it? Holy. Yeah, I got salt down. Plowed off. Was looking a little better before, but the wind keeps blowing it right back on. And the salt should take care of that thin stuff. Liking the new truck?
Yep.
Better than the old cat eye?
Yep.
What time is it? The volume thing over is 7:25.
That take you over, did it?
Uh-huh.
What time did we get here?
I don't know, like 6:50 something.
I'm gonna mess around up here for a minute or two. See how that melts off before we go back, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I-80's pretty clear. This is pretty much the last one on the schedule for today. we're back down in Reimersburg now. There's not near as much snow here. It's like nothing. It's just a dusting. But it's a little slippery underneath, so. It's cold. It's cold. Put a little bit of salt down here just to make sure nothing's left on it. Veterans Day snowstorm. We were just doing leaf cleanups and now we're salting and plowing. It's crazy. I got this one salted. That's all they wanted today because it's so thin. This is only a sidewalk one. We don't do their parking lot or anything. Well guys, if that is it for this video, I thank you for showing up and being here. First snow plowing and salting of the season. So, a lot more to where this came from. I think the rest of this week is just gonna be leaf cleanups. If whatever dries, then we can get to it. It's supposed to get up into the 40s or so at the end of this week. Not expecting much more snow. So it should all be melted. We'll see if we'll even be able to do anything with what it's gonna be for this one. We'll catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you then.